Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be the Doom special. The longest episode that we're gonna do. So right now, we are not exactly on Mars anymore. Yeah, we have to kill a bunch of demons now. And I'm pretty sure there is a boss fight like right after this too. Alright, let's get started. Potato Doom. Yeah, it turns into Potato Doom for a couple of seconds. I have the super shotgun and the chain gun. Yeah, I love the super shotgun. Super shotgun. Sick. Watch this, I'll show you. Oh, I don't know why I did that. If you guys want something fun, oh god, Revenant. That's never happened before. Usually they don't all spawn in like that. Alright. Take two. Potato Doom. There. Oh snap, I didn't even look at this. Pure anger is Doom Guy. Ammo, or I like ammo way better. 60 shells, that's amazing. 7. I hear demons talking and I kinda don't like it. Oh, you're not gonna make me jump down there, stupid. Oh snap, oh snap. Okay, I did not prepare this. Okay, so I have one other plan. Wait, no, why did I do that? I need to... Alright, this is what I was thinking. Ah. No, you evil, stupid demon. Alright guys, this will be take 3. Because the idiotic demon decided to push me off. I mean, no, they're supposed to be killing me, but still. 10 out of 10 would not play this game again just because of that. No, I'm just kidding. I love this game. It's very good. I don't have my 60 shotgun shells. Bruh. That's where I need to go. Okay, let's go fight. Y'all made me lose all my shotgun shells. You shall pay the price of death. No, I should probably go refill my chainsaw. Oh, it is full enough. Yes, that just happened. Armor 6. What? You McDonald's looking doofuses. Right, you better be afraid of me, bruh. Oh, I hate these guys. And I don't care, I still got that checkpoint. Dang, all my good guns are out of ammo. Like I said, always follow these green beacons and you'll get places. Oh, this is where the boss fight is. That's why they're giving me all this stuff now. Oh. Aw, snap. Yo. Ready? Let's go. That Baron of Hell guy was supposed to be way harder, but they didn't expect me to put all my stuff in the ammo so I could save up all my chainsaw. I'm guessing that's why it was so easy for me to kill him. Try me, I dare you. Oh, I hate you. Haha, I'm hurting you. Ooh, purple orbiter thing. That's quad damage. You know what happens when Doom Guy gets quad damage? This happens. Where are you? I will kill every demon. You know what? Wow, I hate these things. Oh, no. Now I know why they stocked me up on ammo, because this is hard now. Oh snap, bro. Ooh! I've licked fallen. Dude, when the music kicks in, it's just like thunder dice, I think. Can't handle me, bro. This game has an epic soundtrack. Like, it went from heavy metal just to all calm and... I don't know what it's saying. It sounds like it's going hobby, hot eye. Ooh, what's this I see? Ooh, yes, this is cool. I love you, train gun. You're a secret that no one has ever found. No, I'm just kidding. Lots of people have found them. Without the UIC's most remarkable recent discovery. Oh, that's cool. So basically we can kill everything. Is that what that says? I think that's what it said. It said something about killing everything. They put those there so if you haven't gotten the super shotgun yet, you can always pick it up, or you can just loot it for ammo. Because the super shotgun isn't usually... There's only one of them, basically. Oh, this way. I see. Yep, we're going into a boss fight. No! Alright, guys. We're gonna call it an episode here in a couple of minutes. But, thank you for watching and sticking with me through this whole thing, even though we're not doing in chronological order. Besides, like I said, if you want to see that, go ahead and comment down below. Aha, I got you. Yeah, we're gonna call out episode here. I killed him and he killed me. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of these special episodes that are longer, comment down below. If you want to see a chronological order, all the levels playthrough, go ahead and comment down below. And thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.